From silence comes the sound of nature waiting to...
Every line, a heartbeat of the jungle. Every journey begins in the shadow of love. In their eyes, the forest speaks. Purity hides in the simplest curve. Love is the line that connects generations.
Even shadows belong to those who stand together. Every wrinkle tells a story of strength, patience, and time.
The forest doesn't just exist, it breathes.
Every step leaves a mark back on earth and memory.
Light brings life, even in graphite.
The earth speaks softly to those who listen. Family Isiye, drawn not by blood, but by bond. From paper to soul, the wild found its voice.
Art is memory made visible.